Plankton?
I'm a dirt bike junior.
Dirt bike? Are you trying to sell something?
I'm a dirt bike junior.
I know it. You're trying to advertise your car sales business in my restaurant.
Can't you two just follow the rules for once and have a normal conversation?
Squidward, this is between me and Plankton.
I'm a dirt bike junior.
Enough with that damn catchphrase. You're not selling anything here.
Maybe he's just trying to express himself through his love for dirt bikes.
Because that makes perfect sense. It's any Plankton who loves dirt bikes. Get real, Squidward.
But I can only say this one thing. It's not my fault.
Looks like someone didn't read the fine print on their contract with Satan.
Good ones, Squiddy.
This isn't funny. I'm stuck saying this stupid phrase forever.
Well, at least it's better than listening to Mr. Krabs talk about money all day long.
Hey, now, what's wrong with talking about money? It makes the world go round.
Can we please just get back to our normal lives now?
As if our lives were ever normal in the first place.
That's what makes it fun, boys. Choice and madness are the spice of life.
I guess I'll just have to embrace my new catchphrase then.
And we'll just have to embrace our crazy boss and his tiny nemesis.
No, that's what I call a perfect day at the Krusty Krab.